Hello, hope you guys are doing well. We're going to go through your checklist and then we're going to go through what you are doing today. So, this week is all centered around holidays around the world. So, we're going to learn about holidays around the world for reading. And then for math, you're going to be doing today some candy cane activities. For science, you're going to be doing a candy cane craft. And then then the last thing you're going to be doing is your reading and math for iReady. And of course, every time you are working on your online work, you have the homework of doing your sight words on Google Classroom. Okay. Jumping into holidays around the world. Okay. So we're going to talk about all of the different holidays around the world, specifically though Christmas and how they celebrate this time of year. Because not every holiday celebrates it the same that we do. Actually, you're going to notice that most holidays do not celebrate it the way that we do. Okay, so this is your passport. Some of you may know that a passport is needed whenever you're traveling outside of the United States. So you guys can go ahead, you can fill in your passport. You're going to type in here your name, and then you're going to type in here your birthday, and then you're going to type your name again for your signature so that you are ready to go for our holidays around the world. We're going to start with Australia. I'm going to move this over so I can see this. Okay, so Australia, it says to circle the country or continent on the map. So if you need to, you can always go over here to present and click on that so that you can see the whole map, okay? So go ahead and look with your parents to find Australia. And when you find it, you're just going to take this over here and you are going to circle it. I'll give you a clue. It's somewhere over here, okay? All right, I'm going to read this to you. In Australia, Christmas comes at the beginning of summer. So many Australians celebrate Christmas with a lunchtime barbecue where they grill seafood like lobster and prawns, which are shrimp. One traditional dish found at Christmas lunch is called palava. Palava is a cake with marshmallow center with whipped cream and fresh fruit on top. Australians hang wreaths on their front doors and decorate their houses and gardens with Christmas trees and Christmas lights. Australians also decorate their houses with bunches of Christmas bush. In summer, the flowers from the plant turn a deep, shiny red color, perfect for holiday decorating. When Santa gets to Australia, he gives the reindeer a rest and uses boomers, which are kangaroos, to pull his sleigh. Very different than our Christmas, huh? So what you are going to do now is you are going to, back here there was a little highlight thing for you to use. So you are going to highlight the different things that we talked about, okay? So those are the prawns, the shrimp, the palava, the Christmas bush, and the boomer, which is the kangaroo. So you're going to highlight those in that story right there. Then you're going to come back to this page and you are going to type, write, or draw the definitions of each of these terms, okay? So prawns, you're going to click in this box and you are going to type in here what the prawns are. You're going to type in here what the palava is. You're going to type in here what the Christmas bush is. And you're going to type in here what the kangaroo is. If you're really feeling it, you can come over here to shapes, come over here to lines and arrows and all that and curves, and you can draw what it is as well, okay? Oops. Okay. Gonna come here and we're gonna go to Canada now, okay? So you are again, I'm gonna move this circle over. You're gonna look for Canada on the map. Canada is very close to us, so here we are, United States of America. Canada is somewhere over here, so look with your parents to find Canada and then put the circle around it. All right, I'm going to read this to you again. Because many fir and pine trees grow in Canada, most families in Canada have a Christmas tree that they decorate with lights, ornaments, and decorations. Many Canadian families have cookie baking parties. They bring a family recipe for Christmas cookies, bake them, and then exchange them with family and friends. At the end of the party, each family goes home with a variety of different cookies to enjoy with the Christmas season. Canadian children believe in Santa Claus too, similarly to the USA, which is us. They open their gifts from Santa on Christmas Eve or on Christmas Day. If there is snow at Christmas time, many Canadians will go skiing, ice skating, or tobogganing, which is sledding. So again, you have this highlight thing right here. So you're going to highlight the words that are in bold, okay? And now you're going to go through and you're going to type in here what each of these are. So the Christmas tree, the cookies, Santa Claus, or sledding. And then you can also draw anything that you want to about these, okay? All right, candy cane graphing. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to count the candy canes and then move the bar to the graph to the results, okay? So I will do the red ones with you guys. So let's count how many red we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to move this bar right here to show 5. So you can move it just like this up all the way to 5. Let's make sure we got 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I just moved that by using that arrow right there. So you're going to count the green, move your box, the blue, the yellow, and the purple. All right, you're going to do the same thing now, but you're going to work on tiny, small, medium, and large. So the tiny are like super tiny. The small are a little bit bigger. The medium are a little bit bigger. And then the large are a little bit bigger, okay? So you're going to go ahead and you're going to do the same thing you did on the last one by graphing it and moving this bar right here to show how many of each. This says candy cane measurement. Use the blocks to measure the length of the candy cane. So you're going to move this block right here. And you're going to put it right here on this candy cane. And you're going to move as many blocks as you need to see how many blocks it takes to measure the candy cane. And then you're going to type right here how many blocks you used. Okay? I'll move these back over for you. Okay. Same thing on this one. You're doing the same thing. Candy cane digital craft. Okay, so you are going to move these blocks right here to make a beautiful candy cane. So you can just put them right on top here like this. And you could decorate it however you want to make a digital candy cane. Okay guys, that is it for today. Please let me know if you have questions. Again, get on iReady Reading, iReady Math, and then get on Google Classroom to do your sight words. Bye!